Hello students, I am your biology lecturer. Today I am not going to teach any topics. Here I am here to explain an important thing, that is deleted and retained portions. Okay. A notice came from the DDP office. Some of the portions from second PUC biology topics, some of the portions are deleted. Okay, many students are continuously asking to send the topics. That's why I thought to make a video on that retained and deleted portions from the chapters. Okay, today I am here to explain what are the deleted portions, what are the retained portions. Some of the students are thinking the complete chapter is deleted. The complete chapter is not deleted here, only 2 or 3 chapters are deleted, but some of the topics are remain as it is, retained as it is in that chapter. Okay, that's why I added pics of the deleted and retained chapters here, but I wanted to say something. Don't worry about the deleted and retained chapters now, deleted portions now, because you have to read everything. This is all for the final examination. Okay, if you want to score more, you have to read everything, but you are not getting time. I am talking about the examination, means during that examination time, during the revision you can skip the topics, but for understanding the basic concept you have to read everything. Okay, I think you already completed few chapters in the online class itself. Okay, that's why I am telling that don't worry too much about this one. Okay, just remember these topics are deleted, these topics are not deleted. Okay, but for NEET examination you have to read everything. In the biology you have to read line by line. Okay, now I will explain which are the topics are deleted. In the first unit, that is reproduction is the first unit. In that you can see the 2 columns, a retained portion and a deleted portions. Okay, focus on the reproduction in organism, that is the first chapter. We already completed this chapter 2 months back. Okay, reproduction in organism. Okay, see here, in reproduction in organism chapter, the reproduction a characteristic feature of all the organism for continuation of species. Okay, the characteristic feature of living organism is related. Mode of reproduction, that is sexual and asexual. In that asexual reproduction, binary, sporulation, budding, gamete formation, fragmentation, vegetative propagation in plant is completely deleted. Means the complete asexual reproduction topic is deleted. Okay, in that chapter the sexual reproduction topic is remain as it is. Okay, I will say the page number. From the page number 3 to page number 7, from page number 3 to 7 is completely deleted. Sexual reproduction topic is there. Okay, you have in the sexual reproduction, fertilization events, free fertilization events, gamete transfer, post fertilization event, embryogenesis, everything is same. There is no changes in that topic. Only asexual reproduction, everything is in the asexual reproduction is deleted, and vegetative propagation is completely deleted. Okay, in the first chapter you have to study about, you have to read the sexual reproduction only. Okay, then second chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant. There is no changes, there is no deletion in this chapter. The chapter remain as it is. Okay, there is no changes in this chapter. That's why don't worry about the second chapter. The second chapter, all the topics are remain as it is. There is no changes. Okay, in the third chapter also human reproduction, which already completed. In the human reproduction chapter also there is no changes. Okay, just in the first chapter asexual reproduction is deleted. The starting introduction, that is a characteristic feature of the living organism, and asexual reproduction is completely deleted. The sexual reproduction is remain as it is. In the second chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plant is remain as it is. In the third chapter human reproduction is same, and in last one reproductive health there is no changes in the reproductive health also. Okay, next chapter, fifth one, principles of inheritance and variation, that is a genetic topic. Okay, there is no changes or there is no deletion of any portions. The chapter is remain as it is. Okay, this chapter is very important, that's why there is no deletion in this chapter. Then molecular basis of inheritance, this topic which we are discussing now. In yesterday we completed the replication. Okay, in that chapter also there is no any deletions, all the topics are remain retained as it is. Okay, don't worry about that. The fifth and sixth unit there is no deletions, but the next one, that is seventh chapter, evolution, I think it is one of the good news for all the students. Okay, because some of the students feel the evolution is very toughest one. Okay, for those students it is a good news. The evolution chapter is completely deleted. Okay, don't worry about evolution chapter now. Okay, it is just like a treat for the evolution chapter hater students. Okay, the evolution chapter is completely deleted from this from your syllabus, but there is no changes in the fifth and sixth chapter. Next, after this one, next unit, next one, biology in human welfare. Okay, biology in human welfare. In this chapter also, in this unit also there are 3 chapters. While explaining the syllabus, I explained everything. How many chapters are there in the unit? Okay, what is the importance? What is the marks weightage? If some portions are deleted means the marks weightage will also change. Okay, the marks distribution for the chapter is also may change. I know I don't know exactly, but it will definitely change. Okay, after some times we can get that marks distribution, hours distribution, marks weightage, everything. That time also I will inform you guys with the video, otherwise with the offline class. Okay, here you have to focus on second column. Okay, there is no changes in the 8th and 10th chapter, means 8th and 10th chapter there is no any deletions. Those chapters are remain as it is, human health and diseases. Okay, I think it is already completed. Microbes in human welfare, this one is also very important chapter. There is no changes or there is no deletions. But next one, that is a chapter 9th. Okay, 9th chapter, that is strategy for enhancement in food production. I know this chapter is already completed, but this chapter is deleted now. Okay, strategy for food enhancement and food production. Enhancement in food production chapter is completely deleted. Okay, there is no worry. If you already read this chapter, it's very nice. It will help you to touch the questions in NEET examination. It will help you to understand what are the strategies which are used to increase the food quantity and quality. Okay, next one, just here there is no changes in 2 chapters, only the 9th one chapter is deleted. Up to now the evolution and strategies for food production chapters are deleted. There is no changes in other chapters. Next, that is biotechnology. This is very good news for the biotechnology chapter lovers. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಎನಿ ಡಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆರಡೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೂ ಭಾಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, and the next chapter biotechnology and its application. What is biotechnology, what are the principles, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಅದರದ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಏನೇನು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 12ನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಲೀಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ನೌ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ biotechnology. Okay, we already discussed. Next unit, ecology. Here you have the 50-50 feelings now. 50-50 feelings. 2 chapters are deleted, 2 chapters are remain as it is. Okay, there is no confusion, students. Okay, in the 13th chapter, that is the first chapter in the unit, organism and population, there is no changes. Next chapter, that is 14.1, all the chapter means all the portions in the chapter is completely deleted. Okay, but next chapter, biodiversity and conservation, remain as it is. The complete chapter is retained. Okay, but 16th chapter, that is the last chapter, in that chapter means that chapter is completely deleted. Okay, in the last unit 2 chapters are remain same, but only 2 chapters are deleted. Means it's very nice now. The 2 chapters are completely deleted from the syllabus. Totally 4 chapters are deleted. That is evolution, strategy for enhancement in food production, ecosystem, environmental issues. In the first chapter, only asexual reproduction topic is deleted. Okay, in the 16 chapters, totally in the 16 chapters, 4 chapters are deleted. Okay, just take your NCERT book and mark on it. Okay, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ 16 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 4 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ 7th ಚಾಪ್ಟರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 9th ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನು, ದೆನ್ 14th ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 16. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. There is a few changes or few deletion in the first chapter. Only asexual topic, asexual reproduction topic ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 16 ಒಳಗಡೆ 4.5 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. 4.5 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ is deleted. Okay, remaining 12 chapters remain as it is. Okay, but it remain 100 chapters, so you can score out of out. Okay, 50% of the toughest chapters are deleted. Okay, I hope all of you understand this one. There is no confusion, it's very clear now. Okay, for second year students, only 4.5 chapters are deleted from the second PU biology syllabus. Okay, next we will continue the molecular basis of inheritance topic, that is RNA world.